Welcome back. You have probably already seen our other tutorials that show you how PARAGO makes your life easier, safer and more convenient. If not, check them out. Today I will show you some other cool functions of the multi-use divider. Release it from the inside of the lid by unlocking it from the hinges and place it flatly on top of the 3 joints inside the cooling tub. You can now use the divider as a table and store your food and drinks on top of it. If you forgot to chop some veggies or meat at home for your barbecue, don't panic. You can also use the divider as a chopping board. After use, don't forget to clean it before putting it back inside the lid. Lock the divider on the hinges until you hear the click and you are good to go. For more information, check out our other tutorials, follow us on WeChat or Instagram, and visit our PARAGO website.